Hey guys, so if you watched our last video, we opened our KiwiCo. So we made this, and it is a shuttle. We also made these, which go in there, and then you just watch that, and then it's meant to go there, but mine doesn't really work for some reason. So yes, this time we're going to make a solar system.
So we got everything here in front of us. Let's get started. You take this pin and you've got to put holes in each one. So now we're taking these, and you try to get the circle and stick that behind. And you take these and we need to put them on the edge. So we're doing that with all. Looks like we're doing Don't take this sticky bit off. Right. If the circle's still in there, take that out. We actually painted all the white balls that came in the kit. So first we got them into size order, and then we looked up their colours on the internet, and then we painted them. So this is what we made earlier, except the sun, which came already painted. Now we're going to stick the planets on these coloured rods. Let's go. I hope they're not wet. We have assembled our solar system. All we need now is the sun. Assembled. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below what we should do next.
See you later.
Bye.